Test drive time, 69 Chevy C-10, 6-cylinder, power steering on this one, no power brakes. Two-tone, red with a white top. Now the bed, check this out. Nice and clean. Looks like they hit it with a torch or something before they sealed it. That's awesome. Guys, test drives go over all the flaws, chips, scratches, rust, dents. How does it run and drive? Be sure to hit subscribe. It's about that time. Let's go full ride. All right, before we take off, look around the interior. Place those bets. Do you think the horn works? Let's try and scare him. Oh, can't even scare him.
Going to the game? Yes, sir.
Well,
Oh, shit.
that would have been cool. Oh, well.
What's
Looking around, you got nice flooring, glove box. All right, we'll go ahead and start this one up. It's that quiet, guys. It's that quiet. Temperature gauge is not existing. I mean, it's non-existent. So I don't know where it went. It fell off. This one here, oil pressure is up. We don't need gas. Wipers work. Radio. Radio is not working on this one. Look at that. It fell right off. And your fan's missing completely too. I can't turn it on. Alright, well, let's hit the road, see what else we can find, guys. Looks like our turn signals are both cutting on though, so we're good. Alright, here we go, guys. Let's see if I can even drive this thing. Hey, I think we're gonna have some good luck. There's 4 7s on the odometer right now.
Okay.
13. 4 7s.
3's a lucky number. You got 4 of them. We might be out of luck.
13's not so lucky. But 4 7s make up for it, right?
Yeah.
Oil pressure gauge is like halfway, and then it falls, and then halfway, and then it falls. I don't know what's up with that. It's probably not reading right. Just like the temperature gauge, it just completely disappeared. There's no needle. Here we go. Oh, Shelby F-150. Did you see that? Check that out. We cruising. Straight as an arrow to go down the road. Actually, really tight steering. Speedo is completely wrong. We're definitely going about 30, 35. It's saying 22 or whatever. I want to slam the brakes. All this traffic on a Friday afternoon. She is no powerhouse. This is a cruiser, guys. I can mat it right now, and not a whole lot of difference there. We're gonna try the brakes anyways. They're working. We're good. Ooh. Alright, we're gonna get off Gallatin Road here. We don't have to get fuel today, which is awesome. Every car that I've test drove didn't have to get fuel once today. Drove a 3 on a tree?
No, no.
It's not much different. A little weird at first, I guess, but same deal, just on the column. This is actually a really clean truck. The paint looks nice. Wait till y'all see the end of the video where I do picking out the flaws. The paint is in such good shape. They cleared everything under the hood. I don't know who got a hold of that, but everything. It actually turned out okay. Well, we're here. I'm getting some outside shots. We're gonna light up the undercarriage and we're picking out the flaws. I'll be back. Okay, it's time to roll out. One thing we need to do is tighten the power steering belt. It's pretty loose. And it's squeaking. Oh, look. Open road. It's ready for us. On the reverse, go to first, then reverse. If you go straight to reverse, it will grind. If you go to first, then reverse, it's nice and smooth. Unfortunately, a school bus just pulled out in front of us. So maybe they'll take a left here, but they're probably gonna stop in front of us. Other than that, it actually drives pretty good. And the squeaky belt and then the reverse still. And it basically, just go to first, go to reverse, you're all good. Every single time that worked, not a single sound. Just nice and quiet with the 6-cylinder. Well, if they're going right, guys, we're going a different route. We're going straight. Piece of wood in the road there.
Too bad, messing me stay up.
That was your buddy. What was his name? Plankton?
It is, isn't it?
Yeah. How's the speed shift? Look at the speed shift. They've never seen lightning. Guys, we're about to be back at the lot. This is a very easy test drive. Obviously, we got a nice little truck here. Nice paint, nice interior, nice new seat. Motor's running smooth. And she shifted pretty good. Just need to tighten the power steering belt and hit the road again. Be sure to stick around. Picking out the flaws is coming up next, guys. I'll see you later. Let's go ahead and walk this ride. We're looking for chips, scratches, rust, and dents. Coming up in the front end. Pitting on your front bumper, it's hazy. Looking around our grill. Little imperfections there on top. Up and around the fenders. Midsection. This truck looks great, guys. The paint is pretty on it. Little cracks right here in the seal in the vent window. Tinted windows. They're kind of purple. They need to be redone. chips up top. Overspray there. Overspray here. Your front windshield looks good. Not bad at all. Chip there. Coming around this back end. Imperfections there. Bumper on the back. Looks decent. Looks like a little ding in the corner there. Light cracks in the tail. Cracks right there in your reverse light. It's on both sides. Up the cab here. A little bit of pitting on your door handle. Old seal there on your vent window, overspray right there on the edge. All right, made it around the outside. Let's check out the interior. Couple chips there. Some scuff. Seal looks good. Headliner looks good, nice and clean. Got a little spot there on the seal. Start it up. She's quiet too. Looks like whoever owned it before cleared everything under the hood. He got clear on all of it. Clear there. There's clear on your wires. Coming down with the hood. Guys, thank you for watching. Be sure to hit subscribe and share this video. I've got plenty more to do and a lot more coming your way this week, so yeah, be on the lookout.